I'm tall when I'm young, and short when I'm old. What am I?
A candle.
What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs?
A clock.
What has to be broken before you can use it?
An egg.
I'm light as a feather, but the strongest person can't hold me for more than a few minutes. What am I?
Breath.
What gets wetter as it dries?
A towel.
What has a thumb and four fingers but is not alive?
A glove.
What has legs but doesn't walk?
A table.
What has one eye but cannot see?
A needle.
What has many teeth but cannot bite?
A comb.
What has a head and a tail but no body?
A coin.
What runs but never walks, has a mouth but never talks?
A river.
What can travel around the world while staying in a corner?
A stamp.
What starts with E, ends with E, but only has one letter in it?
An envelope.
What has hands but cannot clap?
A clock.
What has keys but no locks, space but no room, and you can enter but not go in?
A keyboard.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Footsteps.
What can fill a room but takes up no space?
Light.
I'm full of holes but still hold water. What am I?
A sponge.
What goes up and down but never moves?
Stairs.
What can you catch but not throw?
A cold.
What goes up but never comes down?
Your age.
What color can you eat?
Orange.
What has a neck but no head?
A bottle.
What kind of room has no doors or windows?
A mushroom.
I'm white when dirty and black when clean. What am I?
A chalkboard.